Okay, so I'm gonna check to see if my eggs are fertile. So it's been 7 days, and I'm gonna check them. Okay, and I'm using my iPhone as a light, so hopefully, there you go. It's gonna bother you guys. I'm gonna check my hmong eggs first, and yep, they're fertile. You see little blood vein in them. Okay, I got. Let's check the second one. Oh, this one's developed more. You can see the baby right there. Right there, that dart. He's moving. It's got some blood veins going on. I can't find the baby. It's the third egg. Fourth egg. This one's developed, which is really good because this is my still air incubator. But I added a fan, and it's doing really, really good. This one doesn't look like it's fertile. I'm gonna give it a wait for 14 days, and then I'll check this one again. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything forming. This one's forming really good. There's the blood vein. And the baby's right there, somewhere in there. He's moving. And this one's really good. Let's see. Oh, this one's good also. Let's see if they make it all the way to 21 days. This one's good too. So these are the last of the hmong eggs. Now, my husband picked this one out. It's from the chicken coop at my brother's, where I've just got regular chickens there, and there looks like it's 2 chickens. So we'll see how this little guy does it, because this egg is really big and long. And let's see if he makes it all the way through. And it looks like twins in there. There's two babies moving in there. Okay. And those are the eggs I've got right now. And we'll see how these hmong chickens look like when they're born. Bye.